Hello, my little cuties. Welcome to Fun Time with Auntie Efua. In this video, we're going to learn some sounds the animals make. Are you ready? If you are, you need to jump and say, yes, I am ready. All right, stretch out your hand, put another one on top, and it's time to sleep. Let's go. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wakey, wakey. Wake up, cat. Meow, meow, meow. Wake up, cat. Wakey, wakey. Wake up, cat. Meow, meow, meow. Time to sleep. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wakey, wakey. Wake up, lion. Rah, 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 rah. The lion roars. Rah, rah. Good try. Rah, rah goes the lion. Let's sleep again. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Quick, quick, quick. Time to wake up. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wakey, wakey. Who's gonna wake up? The bird. Wake up, bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. The bird goes tweet, 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 tweet. Good. Go back to sleep, you animals. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Shh. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wake up, Mr. Pig. Oink, 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 oink. Wake up, pig. Oink, 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 oink. Awesome. Go sleeping, animals. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Ready for the chicken dance? Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wakey, wakey. Wake up, chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Go back sleeping. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Sleeping. All the animals are sleeping. Wakey, wakey. Wake up, snake. Wake up, snake. I hope you enjoy this. Now you're gonna tell me what sound that this animal makes. Can you tell me what animal this is? That's the snake. Good. And what animal is this? It goes oink, oink, oink. That's the pig. Super smart. What animal is this? Cluck, 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 cluck. Chicken! You got it right. Mwah! Now, which one again did we do? What animal is this? Tweet, 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 tweet. It's the bird! How about the king of the jungle? It goes rah, rah, rah. That's the lion. Keep exploring more sounds until I see you again. That was Fun Time with Auntie Efua. Bye-bye.